Today I'm cooking one of my favorite Korean dishes, Kimchi Jjigae with chicken. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 300 grams of kimchi, 180 grams of chicken slices. Today I'm using chicken breast, 1 block of pressed tofu, 400 ml of water, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 80 grams of yellow onion, cut thin slices, 1 red chili, 1 green chili, 2 stalks of spring onion, cut slantingly into half-inch length with the white stems and the leaves separated. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste. This is what it looks like. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle all the salt on the chicken and marinate until well combined. This should be okay. Let's cook it. Spread the marinated chicken around the pan. Add in the yellow onion. Spread it around and on top of the chicken as well. Top and layer them with red and green chili, pepper, sugar, light soy sauce, sesame oil, chopped garlic, cut spring onions, Korean chili paste, and kimchi. Add in 400 ml of water. Switch on the heat. Cover the pan and bring it to a rolling boil. This will take around 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the kimchi soup is boiling vigorously. Give it a gentle stir to mix the seasoning and ingredients. Try to keep the kimchi on top layer while stirring the soup. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 10 more minutes. Next, cut the washed tofu into 1 cm thick slices. Leave them aside. After 10 minutes, the kimchi soup is boiling again and the gravy has reduced a little. Give it a taste. Wow, this is so good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Next, add in the tofu. Place them directly on top. Scoop and pour some soup over the tofu. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the tofu should be cooked. See, the amount of soup is just perfect. Switch off the heat. Garnish with some cut spring onions. And we are done with a simple kimchi jjigae for dinner. Let's eat! Oh wow, very delicious! Savory and flavorful. The chicken is tasty and tender. The tofu is really soft and smooth. It blends well with the sour and tasty kimchi soup, going well with rice or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!